Welcome to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. This content is not official financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much. Also, like this video as it helps with the algorithm. You guys already know, guys. Moving on to the content for today, we have the crypto fear and greed index. As we can see currently now at greed once again. We were neutral yesterday, last week, last month, never entered the fear zone for Bitcoin. Basically now re-entering into that greed, that yellowish, almost green light color. And wow, look at that. We came right back down to 33. Wow, look at that pump once again. We're looking at that 61, 62 level to see if Bitcoin has enough juice to make a new pivot high. It did make a new low now from these pivot lows here, you know what I mean? So we have to wait and see. What is it gonna do? You know, the next couple of days are key, and by next episode we'll definitely give you guys an update, guys. We see here Bitcoin's at $24,148, guys. We have a massive green bullish positive candle today. Banks are crashing, Bitcoin is exploding to the upside with 3 consecutive bullish candles, green candles, positive candles, as we can see today. The indicator as well, we do see that massive upswing on the daily. The RSI also came to these lows below 30, but now pumping back up again. So really the pivotal time in Bitcoin's price is this. You know, right now we've been making lower highs and lower lows, guys, while the price was making higher highs and lower highs. Right now we made our first lower low, so that divergence, we're trying to fix it up here. So the real question is, will Bitcoin make a lower high, you know, to start this downtrend once again, or it'll simply forget about divergence and all that and just pump above that 25,171 key, you know, level, closing candles above, you know, that key resistance? Is that what Bitcoin's gonna decide to do in the next couple of days? That's the question, man. I mean, macro economy going crazy, banks failing, you know, going bankrupt and things of that nature. A lot of things going on, crazy times to be alive, but Bitcoin's decided to pump, you know, with massive candles. This candle's over $2,200 move in less than 24 hours. Insanity for Bitcoin. If we check out weekly chart, it looks even more insane, guys. Reclaiming this previous ascending channel. Basically, this one candle was a fake out. If you see, is the only candle that will open and close below this ascending channel. Craziness. Massive weekly candle. Wow, this candle was key. It was the end of the 3rd consecutive bearish candle for Bitcoin, and basically there's that massive buy wick, basically closing as a hammer candle. When we have these, usually these indicates, you know, a further impulse move, momentum to go back towards the upside, as we can clearly see with this candle. Now, this candle hasn't closed yet. You know, the week just started. We're gonna have to wait and see if it's gonna have enough juice, enough momentum to close above not just this weekly 50 week moving average, but also if it's gonna retouch as resistance that 200 week moving average and close above. That's it, guys. That is the pivotal mark for Bitcoin's price. Is easy. If we close with a weekly candle above the 200 week with 2 consecutive ones, basically where this one would go above and then the next one would be that confirmation above, and we have continuation, it's a wrap, guys. That's it. Bull market is here. Get your popcorn ready, invest, don't stay behind, you know, make the plays, make the moves, you know, and in a couple of years, or who knows, even less, we'll all be rich. No, man, don't take that to heart. You know, it's not about becoming rich that way. It's about patience, you know, investing for the long term, dollar cost averaging and things of that nature. But guys, key resistance at that $25,000 level, as we can clearly see here with the 200 week moving average and that horizontal resistance line as well. You know, the positive for the bulls is that we reclaim now this 50 week moving average for now, but again, we have to wait and see if the momentum is going to last to close at the end of this week by Sunday, you know, above these key levels, guys. So exciting times for Bitcoin. You know, this is it. This is the battle, you know, within the war, and we're gonna see who's gonna win in the next couple of weeks, guys. Another weekly angle, you know, we mentioned this in our previous episode. Look at that. Wow, TA, man. Technical analysis, it just doesn't stop. just impressing me. Look at that. What did we say last week? You can even go to our previous episode. We hadn't reached this point yet. We were like around here, whatever, right? Okay. And then we said, keep an eye out for the 21-week moving average on the weekly chart, guys. And look at that. Basically came exactly down to that point and bounced up insane. Just the support level that we're seeing here for this key level for Bitcoin. And look at that. It's just wow. TA, we mentioned it and we came right down. That's why it's all about keeping you guys informed, using that technical analysis, that skill set, that experience to bring you guys with key moments at key levels. And then we move on to the DXY, the dollar index. Wow, same deal. Support and resistance, brief fake out, 4 consecutive bearish red negative candles for the DXY, the Dixie, the dollar index, losing that momentum a bit. But we came down to what level, Jay? Exactly to the 103.57 level that we've been talking about for days now, and for weeks. Just since we pumped above it, we've been mentioning that we've been range bound, and basically these are the key levels, that if it breaks down, then it's bearish. If it breaks above this range, then it's bullish. So DXY doing this thing, and let's see if we're gonna get a bounce and a little bit of momentum swing towards the upside in the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks. We'll definitely make sure to keep you guys informed. Guys, we do see here our channel. Don't forget, we have informative videos that we do for you guys, and then we have educational videos. Free link in the description down below. Click away, get a pencil, a pen, and a piece of paper. We have educational presentations for you guys for free. Great educational videos here, just a click away. Then we move on to Bitcoin, guys. We do see $24,300 right now. Incredible, insane. Look at that 24-hour move of 8% towards the upside. Then 8% wait, what was that? Did I say 8% move? Yeah, in the last 24 hours. Yeah, and then we have an 8% move towards the upside in the last 7 days. So insane movements for the market for the past week, for the past 24 hours. Wow, Bitcoin making just insane moves, a lot of volatility, a lot of movement towards the upside, just like most people like it. Then also, just looking into the price a little bit more and other metrics, we do see that the market cap is up to $470 billion, up 8% as well. Wow. Bitcoin just showing a lot of strength, guys, for the past couple of days. Also the volume almost at $50 billion in less than 24 hours, up 48%. Wow, 48% in less than 24 hours. Just an amazing spike in Bitcoin's price, just like we all like it, man. This beautiful thing. Look at that, all this green. You have green here, everything is green. Price is pumping in this crazy world where banks are failing, a lot of craziness, but Bitcoin is staying even keel, guys. Look at that chart. Look at that pump. Man, what people love to see, that resistance. Wow. If you wake up one of these days, and we're above 25,000 with multiple candles for multiple days or a week or two, man, life will definitely, the grass will be greener on the other side. But until then, we're just playing around with emotions. We just made a new pivot low. And even though we had this upswing, it's all about making a new pivot high. That's going to be the next key in the next couple of days that we're clearly watching. These charts, if we make a new high and break 25K, it's over. Like, it's honestly over, guys. Then the bear market is here. Now, if we fail to get above that resistance and we, let's say we do this, we turn over and we make a new pivot low, oh, that would be a wrap. It would be like an M right here, basically, and buy Bitcoin, essentially. But who knows? Right now, anything is possible. A lot of volatility, a lot of volume coming into the market. Bitcoin is very, very bullish. So we're going to wait and see, how things pan out. Fundamentally, the macro economy not looking too good right now. So we have to wait and see. What we are seeing a little bit is a divergence, of Bitcoin from the stock market, just not being correlated 100% as usual, or in the 90s of percentages as it usually is. So definitely something to keep in mind, guys. Link in the description down below, our website, great investment tools and resources for you guys. I want to thank you so much for your time, for your attention, and for your support, and I hope you guys have a good one.